Hey, hi everyone. Uh, so, as I told you that you can build your own AI powered mobile app without machine learning, right? In this video, I will show you how I build a simple AI chat app using React Native Expo and Node.js backend integrated with Groq API, correct? So, this is the very use case which I was explaining you today in this video. The method is no method, like no complexity, take no AI models, no machine learning headache, just a simple mobile app connected to a powerful AI API. Okay? Let me show you how I build this AI chat assistant step by step, right? And now go to the my code base here. Okay? Right? This is my backend code, right? On the backend side, I just created a simple Node.js server with one API endpoint, and that is basically a AI chat, right? Whenever a user sends some text from the mobile app, the backend makes a request to the backend API, right? In the backend side, since I use the text into the Groq API, the Groq processes the text using its AI model and returns a response. One of the advantages here is that Groq always flexible usages, right? So here is there is no limit, and you can hit the multiple API request, and Groq API will respond each of the requests efficiently. Perfect. And if you're talking about the front end side, let me show you the code. There is a no complex code, right? Here I have just created a simple React Native Expo code, right? You can just create it, create your own, right? And if you need this code, I will drop the link into the description, and you can directly download from my GitHub account, right? So let me just explain my front end side. On the front end side, I build a simple chat style UI system where the user types a message, sends it, and receives an AI generated responses inside the app interface. So the overall flow is very simple, like where user types a message, front end send request to the Node.js backend calls the Groq API, AI generate responses is shown in the mobile app. The setup is clean, scalable, and practical. We are not building any complex machine learning models. We are simply integrating an AI services into our application infrastructure, right? Let me show you the my mobile app screen so I can show you the AI responses. Wait a second, I just connect my mobile application. This is Cappy, right? This is now connecting my mobile app. Yeah, here you go, right? This is a mobile application. You can create your own, right? I will drop the, okay, I will show you both in the same screen. Let me divide them. This, okay, what is the problem here is going on? Yeah, no problem, right? This is my code base. Hold on. Yeah, right. So basically here, uh, I just restart this. Okay. This is a simple mobile application. You can see there a simple AI chatbot, right? And here some prompt that I basically added to send the request to the AI models. Okay. So if we type anything which we want, okay, uh, let me let me explain what is computer. Sorry, a minute. Hold on. What is computer? Right? I just typed the simple prompt which I wanted to know from the AI. You can write anything which you wanted in your application, right? Based on your use cases. Just I send this. Here you go. The AI responds the basic things. What is a computer? And this is basically a processing information, storing data, communicating, executing programs, and so on. Take a like a RAM and the solid things which he actually know. Okay, right? This is basically done from the model that is I choose in the backend side. That is a llama model, right? You can simply choose the model that is which is already defined in their official website, right? This is the basic setup where I actually set up my AI model, right? And for this, you need the Groq API key, and let me just explain where you get this API key. Go to the browsers, right, and just search this website, Groq API, right, and here you go. Just come to this website, right, and open this. I already signed in this website, so I just show this showing the website is showing me to create another API. I just created the API for my testing purpose, so you can also create this. And here with you see the things expire never. When we create this, you actually define the times, what time period you want the API will be expired. So I decided this API key will never be expired, so I select this never. So you get this API from this and just implement it in your backend side code, and just get the responses from the AI chat. So this is the whole things which I have done, right? There is no limit. You can type anything. So let me explain about anything like you which you wanted to get from the AI responses. Like what is? Let me explain the hardware, right? And send to the API. That is basically it returns the overall things that it is actually know about, right? So this is the whole things which I have come to explain you in this video. So if you need this code, I will. I already said that I will drop the description. I will drop the link into my description, so you can directly download it and use it with your own. Okay, right? Thank you so much for coming, and we will get meet again in the next video. Thank you for coming.